Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the REG CPA exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 50% ethics and business law and 50% taxation. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 2 to 3 hours daily. Finally, choose a high-quality review course that offers extensive practice questions and simulations to build a strong foundation. The REG exam heavily emphasizes federal taxation, accounting for 70 to 80% of the content. This includes individual, entity, and property taxation. Business law, covering contracts, agency, and debtor-creditor relationships, makes up 10 to 20%. Ethics and professional responsibilities comprise 15 to 25%. Dedicate significant time to understanding these core areas through detailed examples and practice problems. To maximize your study time, consistently practice multiple-choice questions. Aim for at least 30 to 50 questions per study session to solidify your understanding. Additionally, dedicate 1/3 of your study time to task-based simulations, as they represent 50% of your exam score. Always review both correct and incorrect answers to identify areas needing further attention and deepen your comprehension. In the final week, take a full-length mock exam to simulate test conditions and identify any remaining weak areas. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before the exam and eat a nutritious breakfast. During the 4-hour examination, allocate approximately 1.8 minutes per multiple-choice question and 20 minutes per task-based simulation to manage your time effectively.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.